In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the BMW 12mm wheel spacers. After installing the 12mm wheel spacers, it can reduce the gap between the tire and the fender. This improves the cosmetic and stability. Most BMW G20 look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires are flush with the fender. Consider a proper set of 12mm wheel spacers if you are trying to achieve a unique sporty look. 12mm wheel spacers will add about 12mm backspacing for your wheels. Whether you upgrade to larger diameter wheels or bigger performance brakes, keeping the backspacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you put 12mm wheel spacers on each wheel, that adds a total of 24mm track width. You don't need to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 12mm spacers. If you are concerned that the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend that you buy high-quality half-century wheel spacers. A half-century wheel spacer comes with a half-century lip to transition. The protrusion may extend a few millimeters beyond the half-century lips of the wheel spacer on some vehicles. In this case, you will need to change to wheel spacers with thinner half-century lips. For a better fit of the wheel spacers to the hub projection, use BONOSS half-century 12mm wheel spacers. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century 12mm wheel spacers, there is no problem. The precision of the BONOSS 12mm wheel spacers has reached 0.02mm. Precise 12mm wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability. They also ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. 12mm wheel spacers fit the BMW G20 perfectly. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly. I like this outstance. Remember to install the same size of wheel spacers on the wheels as well. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers for BMW, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.